In SelfCAD, there are 4 viewports for objects in viewport. They are located in the control panel on the right side of the interface, indicated by pictograms. The first mode, Mesh, allows you to enable polygon viewing while hiding the viewing of the wireframe. The second, Wireframe, hides the visibility of polygons and shows the wireframe of your objects. The third mode, Mesh and Wireframe, is showing polygons and wireframe at the same time. The fourth mode is added to the previous one, allows you to smooth the sharp angle of your objects. Switching into Mesh mode, you can see it better.